that something that would be surprising though? Why
I
would he?
think
I don't know why he would frame it like that.
it would be surprising. He did not specifically say that, but the implication of what he is saying is that you would think that is a giant bug. The implication that you would think is that the data is diverging from the sentiment. Now,
Yes.
sentiment can alter that, give if sentiment is bad enough. Um, or well, depending on what part of the business cycle you're in. But yes, sentiment can alter that. But it's very interesting talking about some of the hardware manufacturers that are in the Midwest, specifically around tools and tooling. They're already actively shaking up their supply chain to be able to control cost. And whether that be onshore or whether that be work with some different trading partners other than China. And, it's basically at the end of his 18-minute conversation, you really get the look that, you know, imports, excuse me, are 11% of GDP. The vast majority of our GDP is domestic. Now that's going to be services, not the production of raw materials and goods, but only 11% of the GDP is imports. So it's really looking like as more trade deals are announced as we walk through this 90-day period, we're really building a strong base here with sentiment kind of getting as low as it's going to get. CPI trending down, expectation for Federal Reserve rate cuts going up. We're entering that phase to where um, there's the potential for a pretty strong recovery as we go into the latter half of the year.